Hey ho, what's good? It's your boy 13 from 13.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to vocal Chris Brown's Tempo. So obviously, I've got the beat here. I'm going to show you how I would vocal it, or how to vocal it, how to kind of vocal these kind of R&B songs that are like this if you're a singer or if you're a rapper or whatever, and the step by step on how to lay out the vocals, and how to get a close sounding, quality sounding professional finish. So I've got the beat here. Hey. So let's go ahead and start. Let's go ahead and yeah, cool. Let's go. Testing. Can I switch up the tempo? Okay, let's go. Let me switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. Let's go. Let me switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. I wanna switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. Can I switch up the tempo? Let's see how that sounds. Switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. I wanna switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. Can I switch up the tempo? That sound dope. That sound dope. So now, you can also get this whole channel project from my computer. So from your download. Sorry. Yeah, my head's all over the place today. So let's do the next track. Switch up the tempo. Switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. I wanna switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. Can I switch up the tempo? So what you'll find is tracks like this. You have your main vocal main here, as I've written here. You have your center main vocal that stays in the middle, and then you have your backing vocals, which are pan left, and another one pan to the right. So this one will be pan to the left, and then the next one will be pan to the right. So this is the right take. Switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. I wanna switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. Can I switch up the tempo? And what this does is it really opens up the vocal. It really sounds wide, so that when you're playing it in a speaker, it sounds thick. Switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. I wanna switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. Can I switch up the tempo? Next one is, it's really easy. When you look at this project, you can download this project file from my website, and you just follow the instructions. So the next track will be the harmony backing vocal. All right. So now I'm gonna do a backing vocal, harmony backing vocal. Switch tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. Switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. Switch up. Let me switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. I wanna switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. Can I switch up the tempo? Drag that down. Switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. I wanna switch. As you can hear, it sounds fat. Sounds dope. So the next one will be, next harmony is a different harmony. We're going to pan this one slightly to the left. So let's just try and grab the harmony. Switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. Switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. I want to switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. Can I switch up the tempo? Take that and drag it down. Switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. I wanna switch up the tempo. As you can hear, it sounds good. Believe me, I don't always have a one take. This is just, for example, today. It seems like it's going, it's going quite cool. But usually it might take me like 3 or 4 takes to get one of these. But yeah, it depends on the day, depends on my throat, depends on how much work I've done today. Today I haven't done too many songs, too much work, so my voice is still in quite good nick. So the next track I'm gonna add, it isn't actually in the song, but I like this kind of effect for this kind of song anyway. It's a distorted vocal. You can download this from my website too. Let's have a listen to how it sounds. Yeah, yeah, shawty but chicken no leg, heard of a day. I don't know, it's just got a nice little roughness to it, so let's go ahead and vocal that. Let me switch up the tempo, let me switch up the tempo, let me switch up the tempo, I wanna switch up the tempo, let me switch up the tempo, let me switch up the tempo, can I switch up the tempo, switch up the tempo, yeah, yeah. Switch up the tempo, let me switch up the tempo, let me switch up the tempo, I wanna switch up the tempo, let me switch up the tempo, let me switch up the tempo, can I switch up the tempo, switch up the tempo, yeah, yeah. That's literally it. You can hear the fatness, it sounds quite good. Remember, go over to my website if you want to download this. And then from there, like, if I was recording this for a mixtape or a song cover tape or whatever, I would just then fill in the verses with my own stuff, like, shut it, bitch. Yeah, hello. Yes. Been down the it's not working, is it? Yes, shawty be tripping on you in the body. I never be thinking about the gas on Cuddy. I don't wanna stand up and dance so daddy when I drop down the bands. I ain't red on lottie. Wanna shawty in the band, shawty wanna bang out. I got trips on which better hang out. Shawty be tricking the fans on clear out. Da da da, get up with the best out. Started be got you book at the bad on the body, bucket the bucket the bucket the guitar up with other. Yeah, so that's it. That's how to vocal Chris Brown's Let Me Switch Up the Tempo. That's how we're doing it. So leave a comment below, like this, subscribe if you want to hear more covers on how to vocal the tracks like your favorite artists. If you need these packs, download them from our website, as I said like 500 million times. And yeah, that's another video for today. Peace. Tempo.